this time I'm definitely gonna catch a fish. Yay! Okay, this time I'm gonna catch a fish.
I don't know, Kitty. I think the only thing you're likely to catch in Skyco docks is booty worms.
I fought booty worms before, and I'll do it again! Anyway. Ooh, I do love these, but no. Okay. I definitely gotta. A rag.
Sorry, Kitty. I just don't think you're gonna find any fish here.
Yeah.
Sorry, Mozart. We didn't see you back there.
You should be sorry. Sorry you didn't accessorize Bozark sooner. Trespassing. Here, Bozark repay you with a fish.
Kitty, that's exactly how you got booty worms last time.
Round 2, fight! I'm punching my butt because that's how the kitties fight booty worms. It makes sense.